Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to remove the app icon name on from this device. So in the home screen you can see each and every icon. Under the app icon you can see the name of the icon, right? So let me show you how to remove this app icon name from the device. So for this just press and hold the blank area of the home screen. Now here you can see the edit button on the top left side. Just tap on this one. Tap on customize. Okay. Then here you can see one window. So here you can see the option. This option you can see. Just tap on this one. That's it. So now you can see the app icon name is successfully removed. So simply in this way we can remove the app icon name from this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.